Hello. Last week of July this year, USA and Saudi Arabia have signed a civil nuclear cooperation agreement and bilateral nuclear safeguard agreement. Now try to understand the reason behind signing this deal. War on Iran and closure of Strait of Hormuz made a very challenging situation for Saudi Arabia or different Gulf countries to export their petroleum, as a Gulf country's economy highly reliant on petroleum. So to overcome this situation, Saudi Arabia have to move towards atomic energy. As you know that a couple of months ago, UAE and other Gulf countries withdrew OPEC cartel to overcome this situation. Now the basic problem with this deal is, after signing the deal, USA said this deal is contingent on Saudi Arabia joining Abraham Accord. Abraham Accord is something that came into existence in 2020, which basically facilitated the diplomatic ties between Israel and different Gulf countries. Now, what is the problem with Iran to join Abraham Accord? Before the war between Israel and Palestinian, the Saudi Arabia stance on political ties with Tel Aviv was different. But after the war, this have been totally changed. Now Israel have set a clear condition: we will not normalize any formal ties with Tel Aviv until or unless Israel recognizes Palestine as a different, independent, and sovereign political state with East Jerusalem its capital. In nutshell, Iran crisis and Palestinian crisis will continue to cast a long overshadow over this deal. Now, guys, how would this deal impact on India's petroleum import from Gulf countries? Do let me know on the comment section, and for more such video, do subscribe Bharta Biz Guru. Thank you.